Let's discuss the requirements for multiple parallel raceways, specifically for a 480 volts alternating current feed between a substation and a motor control center, where each raceway contains no more than 3 current-carrying conductors and a ground. The raceways are in free air within a large tunnel space, not encased in concrete or directly buried. Regarding minimum spacing, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not mandate a specific minimum spacing between raceways containing parallel conductors when they are installed in free air. However, it's a recommended practice to maintain a spacing of at least 2 inches or 50 mm to facilitate adequate heat dissipation. Concerning derating, the NEC necessitates derating of parallel conductors only when they are installed within a raceway, cable tray, or other types of enclosure. When parallel conductors are run in free air, there is no derating requirement according to the NEC. Despite the absence of mandatory derating for conductors in free air, several factors should be considered for optimal performance and safety. 1. Ambient temperature. Elevated ambient temperatures can reduce the ampacity of the conductors. Therefore, it's crucial to consider the maximum ambient temperature expected within the tunnel space. 2. Raceway fill. Although the raceways may not be fully occupied, the percentage of raceway fill can still influence the ampacity of the conductors contained within. 3. Conductor spacing. The physical spacing between the conductors themselves can also affect their ampacity. For parallel conductors, it's advisable to maintain a separation of at least 1 conductor diameter between individual conductors. In summary, while the NEC does not prescribe a minimum spacing, maintaining at least 2 inches or 50 mm between the raceways is recommended. Furthermore, even in free air installations, consideration should be given to ambient temperature, raceway fill, and conductor spacing when determining the appropriate conductor ampacity. These considerations will promote efficient and safe operation of the 480 volts alternating current feed system.